Factor through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Facebook later on too. So we'll be live here with Dirt Rich TV for the Elite Racing 602s late models. There you got the 602 series points leader at the moment there in turn 4, Wyatt Coffey. Wyatt Coffey also has 2 wins with the Elite Racing Series 602s at Beckley and here at Natural Bridge Speedway. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Green coming out here for hot laps in the Elite Racing 602s. Green is out. So this is just hot laps only, Ray Fiend Medical Associates Street Stocks, you are up next following 602 late model. Ray Fiend Medical Associates Street Stocks, you are up next to a Wyatt Coffey to 17.099. Next out on the track for hot laps in 211s, but we got the first 11 of Dakota Fox out of Waynesboro, Virginia. Then the other 11 of Tim Stallnaker out of Natural Bridge, Virginia. And then in the 8, usually driving the 8 is Mike Ayers, but tonight is the driver R.W. Armstrong in that 8 ride right there in turn 3. Joining this field in the car 37, it's William Wilmer out of Fairfield, Virginia. The 22 of Samuel Hamilton there from Fairfield. On the track, the 4 of Bryce Smith out of Covington, Virginia. Then in the 10H out of Lexington, Virginia, there is Stephen Harrison. You got the 99 of Matt Duggan, second in the points for the Elite Racing Series right there rolling down the backstretch. He is out here for hot laps too. Got the 37 of William Wimmer up here in turn 4, stopped at the moment. Track officials. Checkered flag is out. R20, last week's winner here at Natural Bridge Speedway, it's Ryan LaRue. Then in the 36, he is out of Buckhannon, it's Darren Critchfield. Then from Mount Airy, North Carolina in the 00 there, rolling out of turn 2, it's Kendall Tucker. Then out of Waynesboro in the 3, it's Jacob Level. Then all the way from Elkins, North Carolina, in that 15, it's Daniel Durham. Rolling out on the track there behind him out of Clifton Forge. In the 59D, it's Josh DePriest. On the track 2 in turn 1 here in car 56 out of Fairfield, Virginia. That is Billy Weeks. Reminder, this is just hot laps right here. Green is coming out here for hot laps for the Elite Racing Series here. Third session of hot laps here. Checkered flag is out for this group. So Wyatt Coffey